You want the best prices on Nikes? You need to check out the Nike clearance store. They've got a few locations throughout the United States. This is the Santa Clarita location. We're looking for the steepest discounts for sneakers. We're gonna start in the big sizes in the women's section. Dude, got some Jordan 1 satin shadows right here. $80 for 10.5 women's. Size 11 Pegasus shields are here. $35. That is such a good price. I see a lot of extended size pricing tags right here. Dude, got Jordan 1 High aluminum foil edition. More Jordan 1 Highs going for $70. $45 for Dunks. Pegasus 41s going for $35. And this is the bigger women's section. Usually not that many women with size 11.5, size 12. So they get rid of stuff for hella cheap. So some of the guys can take advantage. That is a size 11, which is what, a 9.5 men's. Slide go for $20. Some Nike by You Free Metcon 5s. Go for $60. These are size 12. Another one right here, $60 as well. They got some Forces down here, size 15.5, 14 men. Yeah, these are going for, what did I say? $50. Moving over to the 10.5 in the men's section. Have been looking for some Invincible Run 3s. I've not really seen them here at this location. Starting to see a lot of these. The Pegasus Plus right here. This does have Zoom X. Does look very sleek. It actually looks slightly better than the Invincible Run 3s. I think the Invincible Run 3s tend to be a little more comfy, but I like this price. $80 for these. These retail for $180. Pegasus 41 Gore-Tex going for $80. Infinity Run 4s going for $80. Some trail running shoes, the Gamma Trails go for $80. Nike Free Runners go for $60. I have been looking for wider shoes. These look pretty wide. Wide right here, but super narrow up front, which is kind of interesting. Heard these might be good for my feet. $60 for these. Saw these in the corner of my eye. I was like, what are these? I thought they were Dunks. Got some SB Blazers. Some sort of collab or something. All black, does have chrome Nike swoosh. Has a dancer on the insole right there. These are going for $50. This is a quick strike too. Wow. Got some mids going for $70. Forces right here for $100. Got a few of these Blazers here. LeBron Next Gen's going for $80. $50 for the Ja Rules right there. Luka 3s. Everybody's a Luka fan in LA now. $60. I don't think most of y'all are fans enough to buy his shoes though. $60 for the Hyperdunk 2017 lows. Even got the Luka 2s right here going for $60. Just not a fan of the way they look. The 3s or the 2s, to be really honest. Mostly white right there. GT Jump 2s right here. $80, which is a fantastic price for these. I'm not a fan of this colorway, but this is one of the most comfortable basketball shoes out there. These are a strong contender for super comfortable basketball shoes as well. Jordan 38s. Yeah, cushioning on these definitely elite. Just super, super nice.
I wake up to a little bit of drool on my pillow, feel like it's gonna be a bad day. Yeah, I'm tired of shit, and the coffee ain't hit yet. Damn, ain't that great.
Hopefully that pan came out okay. This one does have React, also does have Zoom Air in the forefront, so cushioning just hella nice. That's what some of us older fools need when we play hoops. We need tons of cushioning, and I'm trying to think of which one's better. I don't know, both of them just top notch with the cushioning. I really like these as well. I have a couple pair of these for hoops. This is what I've been playing with primarily.
I'm about to quit my job, cash in for a ticket. I'm going on a trip and I don't plan to visit. I'm gonna stay there till I feel like I'm winning. Oh, and this is just the beginning.
Hopefully those pans came out half decent. It's like hard doing a pan by myself and stuff, but yeah, these are just, I like the way they look too, I'm not gonna lie. I have not tried the 39s. I don't know the cushioning compared to these. I'll definitely try them on when I see them somewhere, but these are definitely elite. I'm a huge fan of those. $100, not bad. These retail for $180. And actually, I think the highs retail for $200. The lows retail for $185. Dude got Cosmic Unity 3s right here in a pretty funky colorway. $40 for for these. That's a hell of a price. Look at these, the Zoom Freak 3s. Though the 4s going for 60, still too much. Got some Air Explorades. Some of y'all love ACGs, going for 70. Still checking the size 10. What these dunks go for? $100. Still too high. I got Vomeros right here for $80. Just to give you some perspective, these are going for 80. So it all just depends on how long the shoes have been here. Those other Cosmic Guinea 3s probably been here a lot longer. Still in the size 10 Jordan 1 low OGs go for 70. The Max 1s go for 70. And running shoes are very similar to the size 10.5 section. And these Pegasus Plus, these are going for 80 as well. We do see tank tops right here. Any jerseys though? Got John Morant jersey looking thing right here, $30. Any real jerseys though? No, just some generic ones, 25. Boston practice, kind of not really. These normally go for 65. They're down to 25. All right, so much for that rack. They do have Tech Fleece down to 50. I think these were at 60 at the regular outlets, the camo one. So that's a pretty good price. $50 for a jacket. That's not bad. The regular Tech Fleece right here going for 80. The ones with the stripe, that is the 2024 release. They released this one, which is for men's. I was going to show you guys an example of the unisex ones that they also released in 2024, but I don't see any. I've just heard how people just don't like them. But yeah, they do have a decent amount of Tech Fleece here. They also got this LeBron James jacket right here. It says Strive for Greatness, and then does have the LeBron King James logo. $50. Seems like a legit deal. Got this really heavy duty hoodie right here, $50. I'm not digging the color though. Tech Fleece hoodie right here, or Tech Fleece pullover going for 50. Got it in this color at 50 as well. Golden State vest right here. There's an XL, $60. Got more Tech Fleece jackets, 60 for this one. These have an actual hoodie. That one does not. But yeah, $80 for these. Jordan jacket right here. It's like satin material. It's like really soft. $60 for this one. Got this Tech Pack fleece right here. Is it fleece? Maybe not. It's like wool. It's like wool or something. $60. Someone was trying to figure out the MSRP, I guess. And the Nike Trail jacket, $100. Moving back to the men's sneakers, size 11s. Where we got this Jordan 1 High OG. This is at 85 right here. Wow, 160 for these. They got cleats. Cleats, you can grab them for hella cheap. Some budget cleats, but $20. It's crazy. We got these mid SEs with great material, $60. Tatum ones. How do they still have these? $60 for those. The Equality LeBron Next Gens right here, down to 80. Where are these? This is just an awful colorway, but $80. Moving on to the 12s, we got these. I thought these were like Terminators. The big Nike lows go for 40. Still don't know what the hell those are, but yeah, still got these Quick Strikes right here. Do got these in size 11 and 12s for 50. Huarache Nike by Use right here, $60. Jordan 1 Low OG Niners colorway. I want to say these are 59, right? 59. Jordan 37s right here. These are size 12. $80 for these. So say I'm trying to remember how these feel when you have them on. I do have a 37 low. I haven't really worn them though. This is what I'm looking for in my size right here. $100. Invincible Run 3s. These are size 13. We're gonna have Nike by You. If you can find a Nike by You, you can get some great prices. I don't know about the flowers on these. These are it says size 9 and it says size 12.5. But yeah, $60. Damn, they got multiples in the size 13. Put in 1 low golf right here, 110. Size 14, 15. They used to have a huge section. Really small now, just like half a section right there. That's it. Wow. The campers are here out in full force. They're just standing in the back right there. I didn't really see anything like worth it, but I don't know. They're here stocking the workers when they bring new stuff out, so maybe Maybe they found a bunch of dope stuff. I don't know how much new stuff they bring because I haven't really been here as much, but they've been camping here pretty much every day. $50 for this ACG shirt right here. Normally $100 for a shirt, kind of crazy. Performance gear is just way expensive. I'm like, let's just wear a tank top and shorts or something. But yeah, I'm also not an athlete. I want to say elite athlete, but I'm not really much of an athlete at all. So it is what it is. They do got PSG pants right here. These are a medium. Even says it in French right there. $40. $40 down from 85. It is an oversized fit. Another oversized fit item right here because this is a medium. Looks freaking huge. $60. It does have the Air Jordan written right here, really. And that material is just hella soft. Wow. The tech fleece and the camo right here. A lot of this has been really discounted big time. And what these go for, these are down to $50. They got ACG hoodies right here going for $80. Back in the men's sneakers, I'm in the size 9. $60 for Nike by You Forces right here. Got red on white. It does have a gum bottom right here. Not too shabby. Material's always great on the Nike by You stuff. What are they talking about for these Cortezes? $50. These are an SE. $80 for the Jordan 36 lows. These Jordan 2s have been here forever. What they talking about? $120 still? What the hell? I like looking at the tags. Look at this. 2024 product. Damn. Aluminum Force Air Force Ones. We've seen that at every outlet. $80 still. Damn. Checking out the size 8s. These are going for $60. Penny 2s. Seen these in a few sizes. $170. That's offensive. SB Dunks. $90. These retail for what? $115, $125, something like that. The color's just not great on these. Don't got them in the small sizes and the really big sizes. $80 for those. That other one was $100. These probably been here longer. No, these haven't even been here that long. Damn. Place is great for performance shoes. These are for powerlifting right here. These retail for $200 to $100 for those. You rarely ever see these on sale either. Air Max 90s go for $60. And the Vapor Max Mocs, $50 for these. Ton of LeBron haters out there. They do have a ton of LeBron merch. Got a long sleeve pullover. These are $40. Got these in various sizes. Long sleeve shirts right here go for $20. Got some pants. These are the pull-away pants. These are usually very expensive, $40, which retail for $115 normally. Got them in black as well. Throw these over your regular shorts. Got Mamba tees. Definitely didn't expect that. $15 for these. These feel very cheap though. Oh, not very cheap. They just feel like regular t-shirts. And, you know, they've been charging like a hella lot for Mamba merch. And it's like, it's just regular stuff, dude. Like that's a regular price. $4 for a regular t-shirt. They used to be like hella thick and premium, but have not been seeing that with the latest releases. Lakers t-shirts right here. These are long sleeves. Long sleeves go for $15. Pretty dope. They got the short sleeves go for $20. They got hoodies as well. $30. Normally $70 for those. Moving over to the women's section. If you need some hella bright Forces, $50. These more sublime colorway go for $70. $50 for the Stadium 90s. Damn, I should have bought another pair of those for a kit that I'm trying to get some for. $50 for the GT Cut 3s. Oh yeah, like I said, GT Cut 2s. $50 for GT Cut 2s, really good price. $60 for the Sabrina ones. Jordan 1 high right here, $130. Jordan 1 slips right here, $50. Air Force Shadows, $60. Do got the camo Jordan 3s going for $80. That's a great price. Dunk Low Twists going for $100. Pretty solid freaking selection in the women's right here. Price is pretty legit as well. Air Max 1, these go for $70. Invincible Runs go for $80. Interesting find in the size 9 section for women's. Do got the Alma Manier 12s The primarily white ones. $180 though, price a little bit high. I keep finding these in the women's section right here, but man, can't find that 11.5 for size 12 women's that I'm trying to find, because they do the extended size pricing. Sometimes I can get for hella cheap. I did check the size 12, size 11.5 section one last time for the women's, but nah, nothing. All right, we're moving over to the kids section right here. These are the 6.5s right here. $70 for LeBron 20s. Like I said, the LeBron 21s, not bad. Jordan 2's going for $50. Air Force 1's $50. Jordan 1 lows, $80, a little high. Pro Strong's going for $50. More ones right here, $60 for those. Jordan 38, $70. Tatum 3s right here, $50. What they talking about for these dunks right here? $70. Price is definitely decent, but I feel like we've seen stuff cheaper at Chic when they've had stuff on sale. Or sizing always an issue whenever stuff like that comes up. But sizing also an issue here, and also here is the top is yellowed like crazy. Holy cow. $70. Yeah, I've been looking for some sneakers for a kid that I do know, and not finding them here. Some of y'all been finding crazy stuff at Ross lately. Yup, Joel Embiid jersey. This is an XL. I like these. They remind me of the Kobe's, the Kobe 2s. This is what I've been hearing from you guys. With the Ultra Boost right here. These are the Chile ones. Yo, this is the stuff I'm talking about right here.